And welcome to Officer Oil. I'm your host, Scott McAdoo. I'm a police first responder with a local agency in Maryland, and I currently serve as the community outreach officer for my district. Outside of police, I'm also a certified AMSOIL dealer. When I'm not fighting crime, I am fighting friction. So I'm out here in the backyard, about ready to split a little bit of wood, and I'm going to be using my CountyLine 25-ton gas log splitter that I picked up from Tractor Supply. So I bought this thing, I guess, what was it, 2 Black Fridays ago, and it's been absolutely great. Been splitting a lot of wood with it, perfect for what I'm doing. And I wanted to highlight some of the grease that I use to lubricate the ram and the beam here. So what I always use is the AMSOIL synthetic 5th wheel grease, and this is perfect for what I'm doing here. Now I don't own a 5th wheel trailer, hopefully someday, but now this is, this was a great way to help lubricate this, and really perfect for this application. So a few great benefits. I mean, it's just going to stay in place, perfect for those high load applications. Outstanding water resistance. It's fortified with the 5% moly. Here's the back of it here, as you can see. Here we go. Get that focus there, but going to give you outstanding protection against wear and corrosion, super long service life, going to stay in place, resist that water washout. Again, those high loads and pressures. Comes in a nice, easy, convenient, no mess squeeze bottle. I'll show you here. So it comes off, you just snip that, you can squirt it on there. And going to be great with the reusable cap. It's going to be great for all season use. So whether it's the hottest days in the summer or the coldest winters, going to be perfect year round. So I've been using this for a while, as you can see. Got a nice thick layer of it there. And I have no rust, no wear. It's just really put that protective layer on there to protect the components. So what I want to do is go ahead and get this thing fired up, put a little more grease on there, split a little wood, and show you how it works. So before I get it fired up, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of grease right down here on the beam and show you how easy it is. So got my nice clean new bottle, or new tube here, and then I have the one that I've been using, which is all beat up, and of course my luck, I step on the cap and crack the cap, but it's still keeping it sealed. So I'm going to use that now and show you how easy it goes on. All right, so again, easy cap, unscrew, again my cracked cap, but just give it a squeeze and it comes right out. Just lubricate that all down there. I've already have a decent layer on there now. Just squirt it on. All right. So it comes out, it's really hot, summertime, it's 90 degrees right now, so it comes out real easy. I will say that wintertime, you might want to throw it in the cab of your truck just to let it warm up a little bit. That moly, it is very thick. It's perfect for all season use, but it is a little bit harder to squeeze out. So just kind of be aware of that. I would just warm it up, throw it on the dash of your vehicle, of your pickup, something like that. So let's go ahead and get this guy fired up. All right, so I haven't started this thing in probably, well, at least a month. I always use the AMSOIL Quick Shot in the fuel to prevent those nasty ethanol issues and from the fuel breaking down. So let's see how easy she starts. Choke, fuel on, ignition on. There we go, second pull. Of course, I forgot my safety equipment. good knot there. All right, so just doing a few pieces just to show the grease here. Nice thick layer of grease, still there, easy to reapply. I'll often lift up the log splitter and split down. The grease will last a lot longer that way. You're not fighting the gravity with the on the head here. But again, the AMSOIL synthetic fifth wheel grease, just perfect for lubricating. I mean, again, your fifth wheels, the fifth wheel plate against the trailer, and gonna just help prevent jackknifing, better fuel economy, more stability back there with the fifth wheel when you're running down the road. So really outstanding grease, and again, from what I'm doing, I've been very, very, very pleased with it. If you're a do-it-yourselfer like me, and you'd like to move forward with AMSOIL and start experiencing the AMSOIL advantage yourself, I highly recommend our preferred customer program. And what that does is it's perfect for DIY. It's going to save you 25% off of retail, and they're going to give you free shipping, drop shipped UPS right to your doorstep. So it's usually as quick as a day or two, depending upon where you live in the country. Outstanding program. My own parents are preferred customers. My best friends, many of my side partners with the police department are preferred customers. If you own a repair shop, service center, we have an installer program where you can earn 30% off out of the gate, and then the option to earn up to 40% off of retail, depending upon how much you buy over the year, as well as our parts stores. If you own a parts store, we have a retail program where you can get 30% off and also earn 4% that goes into a co-op credit bank to help you with advertising support. So it's a really, really great program. If you're a commercial fleet, maybe a landscape company, a tree company, a construction company, or even a municipality, state government, local government, we have the commercial program, fleet program, which you can save 30% off of retail, and then also earn up to 40% off depending upon your orders over the year. So it's a great, great incentive with AMSOIL, and again, drop ship right to the doorstep. So if you'd like to move forward, please follow the link on officeroil.com, and please use my name. My name again is Scott McAdoo. They're going to ask you, how'd you hear about us? And they're going to, and please list my name and my referral number. Very important. My referral number is 164-9274. Again, 164-9274. That really supports me and my family. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm happy to answer them. Please like the page, please comment below, please share, please visit officeroil.com. And thank you for tuning in, and Officer Oil signing off. Thank you.